This is our complete new so-called smart camera box, which is an all-in-one device to connect the surveillance cameras with the Ethernet network.
The video surveillance of PV systems is standard nowadays. You got a new product for that. What is it?
Yes, this is our complete new so-called smart camera box, which is an all-in-one device to connect the surveillance cameras with the Ethernet network.
And what's new about that?
It's new that you don't have to plan, equip or wire up a complete cabinet anymore. That saves you a lot of time and costs within the projects.
And what features does it include?
Yeah, for example, there is not always a service technician on site, and you have access to a lot of alarming and monitoring messages. And that means, for example, you get an automated alarm in case of a defective surge protection, or even in case of vandalism attempts, or if just the camera fails, you get an alarm message via the Ethernet.
And these messages go over the Ethernet, over the network to the server, and that goes through this network infrastructure for PV systems, where Mr. Dittmann will tell us more about.
What we show here is a complete topology of such a PV park system. You see all the network components. All these components generate data. Even if it's the string combiner boxes or the tracker systems or the weather station, inverter station and so on, also the camera systems, all these devices send data to the upper-leveled portals or the local SCADA system. And these devices are then used to transmit the data via either copper or fiber optic or even radio link communication.
Okay, these devices are the switches. What protocol do they use?
So the standard protocol is an IT-based protocol, it's SNMP. So the diagnosis data from such a switch is then transmitted also to the portals, so that someone can see whether there is a problem in the system, whether the fiber optic link is down or whether a copper cable is disconnected. So this can then be used to do a maintenance measure.
Okay.
To send someone out to the plant.
I see. And what are the advantages and disadvantages of copper, fiber cable and wireless?
So the advantage of fiber optic cables is that you have a longer distance. What you can use, we have a topology like a ring structure, so redundancy is an argument what you have to transmit the data and to be fail-safe. Even in the case of disconnection, the data transmission is still running. For the shorter ranges, we use copper communication, so the RJ45 socket or plug is used in this case, and our switches support both fiber optic and copper.
And for the wireless connection, you use your trusted wireless protocol?
We have a special one designed for PV applications. It's based on our standard trusted wireless modules, which are used in the process industry. And we have done a special one for PV applications with some special functions. So it is possible then to transmit data from the string combiner boxes to the data loggers via radio link communication.
And what about the environmental conditions?
So in standard applications, we find a wide range of temperatures. Our communication devices like these ones support temperatures from -40 to +70 degrees Celsius.
Thank you very much, Mr. Dittmann. And if you want to learn more about the smart camera box or the newest generation of switches from Phoenix Contact, please visit the website.